Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo V17 Pro and let me share with you how to block a contact on this device. Alright, so first of all let's open your contact list just by tapping on this profile picture. Find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it and hold it. Then let's simply tap on Add to Blacklist, and of course we will receive the alert that you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. Just tap on Block, and as you can see the number has been added to the blacklist. I've got also this one added. Unfortunately we do not have any kind of icons or information that this number is currently blocked. However, no worries, you can unblock it just by tapping on it and holding, and here we've got the unblock option. So just tap on OK and unblock the numbers. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.